Who's in the box? What's in the box?
Hey, welcome back to Jack on Tracks and another episode of What's in the Box. It's a bag. I know. It's another bag. I can't help it. People packing bags. It's just the way it is. So, we'll open this. Oh, look at that. It's another. Bam. Norfolk and Western 40-foot boxcar. This is the second one that I bought. I couldn't pass it up. I got another good deal on this. If I can find more at this price, I'm going to have more. Oh, wait. Is this, this one was ready to go. Oh, I didn't remember them saying that, but let's take a look at it. Everything's, all the steps are there. The doors, the doors aren't glued in place, but they're a little stuck, but, you know, we'll figure that out. But the doors are there, all the parts of it, everything's nice and trimmed. It's got Katie's on it. It's got plastic wheels. They didn't paint the weight. So we'll go through this, and yeah, it's pretty nice. I think there's a little bit of weathering on top. Probably did a little panel line, which actually makes it pop a little bit. No, it's pretty cool. But for what I paid for it, I'm not complaining. I mean, I got the two. You saw the other one in the other episode. That one I got a pretty good deal on that. I mean, I got free shipping, and yeah, pretty much I paid what this was new. Both of those I paid basically what was new for those. So once again, guys, thanks for watching Jack on Tracks. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned. I do appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe. The little interactions in the comments, I really do enjoy it. I will get back to you if you have a question for anything. I'm not the most, I don't have the knowledge on everything, but I am pretty knowledgeable on stuff in general. So, you know, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. Catch you later.